Chop. To cut something into pieces with repeated blows from a knife. Chop the tomatoes finely. Boil. To cook food by putting it in the boiling water. We need to boil these eggs. Mix. To combine two or more things. Firstly, you need to mix 3 eggs with a small cup of sugar. Blend. To combine 2 or more things thoroughly. Blend the flour with milk. Wash. To clean something using water. Wash the vegetables before cooking. Fry. To cook food in hot oil. Fry the mushrooms for about 10 minutes. Knead. To press something firmly with the hands, especially a dough. Knead the dough till it becomes smooth. Sift. To put something through a sieve to remove useless things. Sift the flour into the large bowl. Stir. To mix a liquid by moving a spoon in a circular way. Stir the milk with a spoon after adding it some sugar. Peel. To remove the skin of a fruit or a vegetable. Peel the potatoes before boiling. Cut. To divide something into pieces using a knife. Cut the vegetables into small pieces. Pour. To make something flow from a container. Pour some tomato sauce over the pasta. Squeeze. To press something firmly. Squeeze the lemon juice into the bowl. Grill. To cook food over a frame of metal bars. I had to grill some chicken for the party. Cook. To make food ready to eat. Who is cooking tonight? Great. To cut something into small pieces using a grater. Where is the grated cheese? Break. To cause something to separate suddenly. Break the eggs and mix them with the dough. Add. To put something with something else. Add some salt to my turkey. Taste. To check if a food or a drink tastes good. Can I taste the food? Spread. To apply a soft substance on a surface. Can you spread some butter on my sandwich? Bake. To cook inside an oven. I baked a cake last week. Stir fry. To fry quickly while mixing around. I normally stir fry the chicken for 1 minute. Sprinkle. To drop a few pieces of something over a surface. Sprinkle a little cheese on the top if desired. Whisk. To beat food using a whisk. Whisk the eggs before frying. Slice. To cut something into flat pieces. Slice the bread first to make sandwiches.